Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the ultimate guide to writing a compelling marketing strategy. I got some notes written down here, so if you see me looking down, that's what it is. In this video, I'm going to take you through a step-by-step process of crafting the perfect marketing strategy that grabs attention, resonates with your target audience, and drives business success. So if you're ready to elevate your marketing game and create a winning strategy, let's dive in. Before we delve into the details, let's understand why a compelling marketing strategy is crucial for your business. A well-crafted marketing strategy serves as a roadmap to effectively reach and engage your target audience. It outlines your goals, it identifies your unique value proposition, and it provides actionable plans to drive brand awareness, customer acquisition, and retention. Now let's walk through a step-by-step guide to help you create a compelling marketing strategy for your business plan. Start by defining your target audience. Who is your ideal customers? What are their demographics, their interests, and their pain points? The more specific and detailed your understanding of your target audience, the better you can tailor your marketing efforts, to resonate with them. Conduct a thorough analysis of your market and your competition. Understand the current market trends, identify key competitors, and assess their marketing strategies. This analysis helps you identify opportunities, differentiate your business, and gain a competitive advantage. Determine your unique value proposition. What sets your products and services apart from the competition? Clearly articulate the benefits and value you provide to your customers. This helps shape your marketing messaging and positions your brand effectively. Develop clear marketing objectives. What do you want to achieve with your marketing efforts? Whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, or boosting sales, set specific and measurable goals that align with your overall business objectives. Choose the right marketing channels. Consider whether your target audience is most likely to be present and engage with your brand. This could include social media channels, email marketing, content marketing, search engine optimizations, or traditional advertising channels like television, radio, or billboards. Now you're going to craft a compelling marketing message. Develop a consistent brand voice and messaging that resonates with your target audience. Clearly communicate the benefits of your products or services and demonstrate how they address customers' needs and solve their problems. Once your marketing strategy is developed, it's time to implement and evaluate its effectiveness. Execute your marketing plans and campaigns, ensuring consistency across all channels. Monitor the performance of your campaigns, track key metrics, and make data-driven adjustments to optimize your marketing efforts. Regularly evaluate the success of your marketing strategy. Review the performance of your marketing campaigns against your goals and objectives. Analyze customer feedback, engagement metrics, and sales data to identify areas of improvement and refine your strategy over time. Congratulations! You've now completed the ultimate guide to completing a compelling marketing strategy for your business plan. Remember, a well-crafted marketing strategy aligns your business goals with effective marketing tactics, allowing you to connect with your target audience and build brand loyalty and drive business growth. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on business plan writing. Thank you for watching, and may your marketing strategy pave the way for a successful and thriving business.